In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the hexagonal prism. The hexagonal prism has 2 hexagonal faces to it, and then 6 square, or in this case, rectangular faces around the sides. So to build a hexagonal prism, you're going to need your pattern, pair of scissors, ruler, tape, and a pen. To begin assembling the hexagonal prism, first we need to cut it out. And how we're going to do this is just grab the scissors and start working our way all the way around. Now these patterns start getting a little bit more complex here. And especially, you don't have a lot of space in these little corners here to work with. So what I'm going to do is overcut one side, come around, cut into the corner. Then I'm going to come around onto this next side of the prism, work my way up and cut into the corner, and then remove. And we'll repeat this all the way around the prism. So again, as we get to this inside corner here, we'll cut along this edge, turn, cut into the corner, come back, cut up this edge into the corner, and then release. By the time we make it all the way around, this is what the pattern will look like. The next step is to start scoring. So to score, you'll need your ruler and your pen. So we're going to score on all of the dotted lines. And again, the scoring, we're not making a line for visual purposes. We're using our pen to make a small groove into the paper in order for it to fold easily. So you work your way all the way around, and including on all the tabs and all the other outside edges. Once you're done scoring, it's going to look like this. Now we'll begin assembling the hexagonal prism. So cut out and scored, it's going to turn into this. So here, this hexagon right here is this base. This hexagon up here, this is the top lid. And then we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have all the sides. So let's first fold all of these in. With these prisms, I find it easier to fold the sides up first, all the way around. And then, let's work on the tabs. So there's a lot of folding to do in this one. And now we have to come to the lid and the tab of the lid. To start assembling this, we want to start folding the sides up and putting the sides together. So let's get our tape and let's start. So just like the other figures, the 2 edges come together, put a piece of tape on, you can fold along the bottom. If you're able to finish the side off, do that now. So it'll help give it some structural integrity. As we bring the next face in, we'll probably have to move the tab out of the way so you can bring it together. Now, in the early stages of building this hexagonal prism together, I'll show you on the next face. Because it's not fully together, you can see how they almost want to slide past each other here. You don't want that to happen. This edge has to sit exactly in the groove right here on the inside. So don't go past it, because otherwise your prism will be a little bit askew. So let's keep working our way all the way around. So we're almost around. Or we're leaving the lid to the end because it gives us a chance to hold the shape in from the inside. I'm going to move the lid out of the way. And now move this tab out of the way. This is the 6th side we have to put together. Let's finish this off. And here we are. We're going to now close all the sides together. So now, if you can see, we have all the sides put together. Now we have to close the lid. To close the lid, on my sample here, the tab is only on one of the parts. It's only on one of the faces here. Otherwise, all these other tabs are staying on the inside. So we're going to use these 4 tabs as a shelf that we can close the lid on. Now, you can see how it can slide around like this. We don't want that. Make sure when you close the lid, you can hold the 2 points here. Let's grab a piece of tape. We'll put the tape on the tab first. So the tape is on the tab of the lid. And we'll bring it down and make sure that these 4 sides here, they don't extend past the edge. This one's a little bit tricky. Now what we're going to do is we're going to close these 1, 2, 3, 4 edges off. To do that, I'm going to put the tape on the lid, push it together, and drop the tape down onto the face. Do the same thing, just work your way around. This, we don't need tape here because that's where the hinge was. Bring some tape down. All we're doing here is we are just closing the top. And there you go. You have now built your hexagonal prism.